In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search if cell contains in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to scan a long list and quickly flag every cell that includes a specific word, this method will save you tons of time. Instead of checking one by one, we'll build a simple formula that does the heavy lifting and returns a clear yes or no for every row. Here's the idea. We'll use a combination of IF and regex match. EF lets you choose what to show when something is true or false. Regex checks whether your target text appears anywhere inside a cell. Together, they let you mark matches automatically. Start by clicking into the first cell where you want the result to appear. Type an equal sign to tell Google Sheets you're entering a formula. Then write IUIEF followed by regex match. Inside regex match, select the cell you want to check, then type the word you're looking for in quotation marks. After that, provide the outputs for IF. Yes if it finds a match, and no if it doesn't. It will look like this when spoken, equals if, open parenthesis, regex match, open parenthesis, your cell, comma, your word in quotes, close parenthesis, comma, yes, comma, no, close parenthesis. This flags the cell as yes whenever that word appears anywhere in the text, even as part of a longer phrase. If you want to change the search word without rewriting the formula, keep it in its own cell, like B2, and reference it instead of typing the word in quotes. To make sure the reference doesn't move as you copy the formula down, add $signs so it becomes $2. Your formula would then read equals IF, regex match, your cell, comma, $B$2, close parenthesis, comma, yes, comma, no, close parenthesis. Those $signs lock both the column and the row, so every row in your list checks against the same search term. This way you can drag the formula down and instantly label your entire list. A few quick tips as you work. Regex match looks for the text anywhere in the cell, which is perfect for scanning product names, descriptions, or full names. Keep your search words simple. If it includes special symbols, regex match may treat them as special characters. And when you drag the formula down, make sure your original cell references are correct, so every row gets evaluated. That's it. Powerful, simple, and automated. Use this approach to organize large lists of products or names in seconds and make your data easier to review. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.